Real quick, if you go to start and just type in sleep, or if you type power, you'll get the same results, power and sleep settings. On the right hand side, go to additional power settings, then change plan settings, and then change advanced power settings. Now, once on this screen, this is the main screen that we're looking for. You scroll down until you find the process power management. Expand that, and then go to system cooling policy and hit the plus sign. Notice how on battery it's passive and plugged in it's active. For the laptops I work on, people say that when plugged in, it's super loud. So we're going to change this to passive for both on battery and plugged in. Right below that, you'll see the maximum processor state. What you're going to do is change both of these values to 98. For some people, it's 97, but most find that 98 should do the trick. So we have our on battery and plugged in both set to passive instead of active, and we have the maximum processor state set to 98. I'm going to hit apply and then OK, and that is it. You'll notice that when the laptop is plugged in now, you're not going to hear the fan spinning like crazy or being annoying and frustrating. That's it for this one. If you found this video useful or helpful at all, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick fixes.